Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one very easy recipe which you can make it at your home very easily without oven. So today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make bread cake at your home without oven and only with two ingredients, guys. So I took 4 slices of bread and I removed the corner. So can you see, I kept it here and I will make the bread upma. So don't waste this one. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to spread the nutella. So I'm going to spread the nutella into this bread. So this is very easy recipe, guys. So you can make it for your kids' birthday party. So I'm spreading. So I'm going to spread this one, guys. So I spread the nutella into one bread and I'm going to cover this one. So this is done, guys, and I'm going to spread the nutella in this one. And I'm going to put this bread in the top of this one. Hey guys, I applied some Nutella. So I'm going to cover this one again with this bread. So I kept 4 pieces of bread. So this is done, guys. What I'm going to do, I'm not going to apply any Nutella in the top, but I'm going to use the whipped cream. Hey guys, I kept this bread in the plate and it's time to add the whipped cream in the top of this bread. This whipped cream you will get it in the supermarket or you have to buy online. This one I get it in the supermarket. Here we get this one very easily, but in India I think you have to book online. And I'm going to spray this one in this one. And I'm going to spread this one, guys, with this knife. Here, guys, I applied the whipped cream and I'm going to add little bit more so that it should be thick. And you have to spread with the knife. And you have to apply all the surroundings also. Hey guys, I cut the cake into half slices. Can you see? Can you see, guys? This cake is very good. And I added some decorative the whipped cream and I'm going to add some choco chip in the top. Hey guys, my bread cake is ready and I added some choco chip in the top of the to give some look in the cake. So yeah, so I'm going to keep this one in the fridge. Hey guys, I removed this cake from the fridge and I kept it in the serving plate or bowl. So this is a quick video of how to make bread cake at your home for the kids' birthday party or any party without baking. And you can make this cake in just 5 minutes, even under 3 minutes. This is very easy recipe, guys. And I will show you. Can you see? It's very nice and yummy. So this is a quick video of how to make a bread cake at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.